Hello everyone, welcome back to the exam bridge at Mr. Lekan. SAT practice test 4 solution. Continuation number 5. Anna deposited a fixed amount into a bank account each month. The function f of t equal 100 plus 25t gives the amount in dollars in Anna's bank account after t monthly deposits. What is the best interpretation of 25 in this context? They are asking us the interpretation of this 25. Now, let me explain this function. F of t is equal to 100 plus 25t. Now, t is describing monthly deposit, as we can see here. That means before the deposition, time is 0. So f of 0 is equal to 100 plus 25 bracket 0. F of 0 is equal to 100 because 25 times 0 is equal to 0. So this is the amount of money she has in her account before deposition. Now, after 1 month, that is when t is 1, f of 1 is equal to 100 plus 25 bracket 1. That is the first month. So f of 1 is equal to 100 plus 25, and that will be equal to 125. This is the deposition for the first month. Now, if it is 2 months, that means t will be 2. That will be f of 2 is equal to 100 plus 25 bracket 2. So that will be 150 US dollars. That's second month. So this is how the function works. Now let us see those options. Don't forget, the question is, what is the best interpretation of 25 in this context? Option A. With each monthly deposit, the amount in Anna's bank account increased by 25. Of course, yes. Because if you check the first one we have here, when t is 0, the amount there is 100. The second month, the first month, when t is 1, the amount there is 125. This 100 is constant. It is this 25 that is the main determinant. This is the main determinant. It is the one that is determining the amount of money in that account. Now, look at second month, when t is 2. 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. So that is 50 plus 100 is 150. So the first one is correct. But let us consider others and see what is there. B. Before Anna made any monthly deposit, the amount in her bank account was 25. No. Before is when t was 0. When t was 0, the amount in her account was 100. Yeah, this is what they are talking about here. Look at the third option. After 1 monthly deposit, the amount in Anna's bank account was 25. No. After 1 monthly deposit means when t is 1. And this is when t is 1. When t is 1, the amount was $125. Look at this is not right option. Look at the D part. Anna made a total of 25 monthly deposits. No. This 25 is not equivalent to 25 monthly deposits. So my correct option is A. Now let's see question number 6. A customer spent $27 to purchase oranges at $3 per pound. How many pounds of oranges did the customer purchase? $3 per pound. That is $3. 1 pound is $3. And the customer spent $27. So they are now asking me how many pounds of oranges did the customer purchase. This is just 27 divided by 3. So that is 9. That is 9. So I think this one is very straightforward. In case you don't understand, just send a message. Question number 9. Question number 7. Nasri bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. He used a coupon for $63 off the entire purchase. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. What was the original price in dollars for one storage bin? Now, there are some things we have to understand here. Now, coupon. This coupon, it means it's like a paper or a digital code or a small certificate that someone can use to purchase or to get services either for free or at a lesser price. That is coupon. So, and this guy, Nasri, he was able to buy 9 storage bins, fine. And he used a coupon for $63 off the entire purchase. That means he was able to save $63. That is, instead of spending more than that, he was able to save. Now, the cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. After using coupon, the price was $27. He was able to save $63. That means without coupon, the price is equal to $63 plus $27 without coupon. Without coupon, the price will be good $90 without coupon. Now the question is, what was the original price in dollars for one storage bins? Oh, he was able to buy 9. So the price for one storage bin will be equal to this $90 in 9 places. That is 90 divided by 9. So that means the original price will be $10. That's the original price. So instead of spending $90, he spent just $27 and he was able to save $63 because of coupon. Question number 8. Let me quickly clear this place. Now, for the linear function f, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. Which equation defines f of x? Listen very well. For the linear function f, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. Which equation defines f of x? Now, this linear function f is linear. Now, linear function will give us linear graph. And the equation for any linear graph is y is equal to mx plus c. In some books, it is written as y is equal to mx plus b. Don't let this b and c confuse you. Now, m is your slope or gradient, while this c is intercept along y-axis. Again, m represents your slope. We can also call it gradient. While this b and this c, they are intercept along y-axis. If I have graph like this, if it comes like this, for example, this is where I have my c or my b, that is my y-axis. So that is not where we are going today. Now, look at the question. Which equation defines f of x? Now, just pick them one by one and see how we are going to do it. I know that f of x, which can also be written as y, is equal to mx plus c. Now, when x is 0, f of x is 29. Put them there. F of x is 29. 29 is equal to m bracket x0, 0 plus c. That means 29 is equal to 0 plus c. So my c is equal to 29. Just keep this somewhere. Now, go to the next value given. When x is 1, f of x is 32. Now, put 32 here. That will be 32 f of x is equal to m bracket, what is my x now? My x is 1. 1, then plus c. Don't forget, my c is quite from here. So that means this will be 32 is equal to 1 times m is m, then plus 29. Move 29 to the other side. So this will be 32 minus 29, because right here it is plus. After coming to the other side, it becomes minus. So it's equal to m. 32 minus 29 is equal to 3. That means my m is equal to 3. Now, I have my m, I have my c. Now, substitute both of them into that equation. Equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So that means y will be equal to my m is 3, x plus my c is 29. So 3x plus 29 is the equation that defines the function. So my correct answer is A. Let's go to question number 9. This is similar shapes. Right triangles PQR and STU are similar, where P corresponds to S. If the measure of Q is 18 degrees, what is the measure of angle S? Now this is 90, Q is 18, Q is 18. This Q is 18. So that means I can get this place easily. So if Q is 18, that is this 90 here. This place is 90. So we know that 90 plus 18 will give me 108 degrees. And sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So that means the last side will be 180 minus 108, which will give me 72. So this is 72 degrees. And the question says that what is the measure of angle X? So this S